How's it going, guys? This is your boy Tom S. I got another knife for you today. This is the Asmodus. Composite layered Damascus steel. Comes in this nice box here. It's got a magnetic flap. Comes in this nice brown leather holster. It's got a nice clip on it. It's very springy. The latch is also magnetic. Got this beautiful Damascus steel. It's got a nice wood handle, green. On the top here you got some jimping. It's nice. It's kind of a little bit sharp, but it's not too bad. On the back it's got some hourglass standoffs. A little more jimping here on the bottom. It's got your liner lock. I don't know if you could see you could see the layers of the steel used here. Pretty cool. Got the logo here. Blade centering is pretty much perfect. Locks pretty tight. Dual thumb studs. Unfortunately, there is no pocket clip, but if you wanted to put one on, I guess you could buy one and screw it into the wood here. Also, there is no lanyard hole, but what I usually do is get some split rings, get a small pack at Walmart for like $2 or $3, and you could take the knife apart and put a split ring here on one of the standoffs, and you could put your paracord lanyard or whatever you got through there, and you could have a lanyard. It's a pretty nice knife. Absolutely no blade play. It's pretty cool. I like the patterns, the wood grain pattern on the handle. It's very neat, unique. Kind of almost looks like a camo. The total length of, actually we'll do the blade first. The blade is 3 inches. And the handle is 4 inches. about 3 3/4 of an inch. So total length is 6 3/4 of an inch, or inches, I mean. So yeah, nice knife. I will try to leave a link in the description if you're interested. Thanks.